Hello and welcome back to our channel. Many of you have been experiencing issues with the new Copilot key on your laptops and are looking for a way to remap it to the right control key. Today, I will show you a quick and easy method to do this using Microsoft's PowerToys. Let's get started. First, if you don't already have PowerToys installed, head over to the Microsoft website or Microsoft Store and download it. Once installed, open PowerToys. Next, in the PowerToys settings, go to the Keyboard Manager section. Here, you will see options to remap a key and remap a shortcut. We need to use remap a shortcut for this task. At first, the Keyboard Manager settings will be disabled for you. This is by default and you should turn this on to remap a shortcut. Alright, here is the important part. The Copilot key on your keyboard isn't just a single key input. It's actually a shortcut. When you press on the Copilot key, it sends the combination Windows plus Shift plus F23. Here, click on the plus icon to add a new shortcut. Then click on the first pen icon and click F23. There is no need to turn on this, so keep it off. And after that, click on the Copilot key, that is F23. So, which is showing Windows left plus Shift left plus F23. So that key will be changed to the new key, that is the control key. For that, right click on the pen icon and select here right click right, control right, and save this. Okay, now you have created a new shortcut. Now let's go to some of the text editor and test the working. So I'm going to select this and clicking on Ctrl X to cut this. So let's select this one and I'm going to click on Copilot key plus X. So it is working. So okay, and Control plus V is also working, and Control backslash, that is Control means the Copilot key. The Copilot key now acts as a right control key. So it is working successfully, and that's it. Now your Copilot key will function as the right control key. No more frustration. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or other topics you would like us to cover, drop a comment below. And thanks for watching.